Key features and details about PHILODECO 4.5L Cool Mist Humidifier, quiet, long-lasting and aromatherapy ready. There are include. The PHILODECO Bedroom Humidifier is designed to transform your living environment into a fresh, comfortable, and serene space. With its advanced suspended atomization technology, it delivers 360 degrees even humidification without any leaks, ensuring that every corner of the room benefits from purified, moisturized air. Operating at an impressively quiet 25 decibels, quieter than a library, it provides the perfect atmosphere for uninterrupted sleep, study, or relaxation. This humidifier features a 4.5-liter water tank, allowing it to run continuously for 17 to 45 hours depending on the selected mist level. Thanks to its energy-efficient 18-watt power consumption, you can enjoy long-lasting moisture without worrying about high energy bills. The 360 degrees rotating mist nozzle distributes mist evenly throughout the room, while a dedicated fragrance cartridge makes it easy to add essential oils for a refreshing, aromatic experience. Designed for modern living, the PHILODECO humidifier is ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, living rooms, and libraries. Safety is a key priority, with automatic shut-off when water levels are low and a clear indicator light that lets you know when it's time to refill. The intuitive mechanical buttons allow easy adjustments between 3 mist levels and timer settings of 3, 6, or 9 hours. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless, as every component can be disassembled for a thorough wash, ensuring healthier air and reliable operation. The sleek design also features a soft 7-color ambient light that brings a calming glow to any space without overwhelming the eyes. Overall, the PHILODECO humidifier blends quiet performance, user-friendly features, and elegant design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable humidification, a touch of aromatherapy, and improved indoor comfort day and night. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.